With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is, the diameter and density of a planet are twice that of the Earth. Assuming the Earth and the planet to be of uniform density, find the ratio of the lengths of two simple pendulums of equal time periods on the surface of the planet and the Earth. So in case of simple pendulum, we know here time period is given here as 2 pi root under we have here as L upon G. Now here it says equal time period, so T remains to be same. We need to find the ratio of the lengths. So we can say here L is proportional to G. So length on the planet divided by length on the, let's say, Earth will be equal to here acceleration due to gravity on the planet divided by acceleration due to gravity on the Earth. And as we know here, acceleration due to gravity is given here as our gm divided by r square. So here it says diameter and density are twice that of the Earth. So expressing in terms of density and the, let's say here, diameter or radius, we can say here this mass can be written here as density into volume. So volume here in both the cases will be spherical volume 4 by 3 pi r cube divided by we have here as r square. So r square cancels r cube. So this becomes rho into r into here this becomes g into 4 by 3 we can say here pi. So we can see here this g is proportional to rho into r. So here we can say density of the planet into radius of the planet divided by density of Earth into we have here radius of the Earth. So here we can see diameter and density of planet are double twice that of the Earth. So we can say here density of planet is 2 times that of Earth. So 2 into density of Earth, and diameter is twice that of Earth, means radius will also be twice of the Earth. So 2 times Re divided by, in the denominator we have here as density of the Earth and radius of the Earth. So this becomes as 4. So the ratio of the lengths of the two pendulum will come out here as equal to 4. Hence 4 is our final answer.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.